morning guys, okay. Yeah, my name is Joshua. This is Bel Air, where I wanted to show you the place where we are in Bel Air. Bel Air is in Lubumbashi. Lubumbashi is the second. Guys, I'm from there. I was scared about copyright the music. It was the music there, so I wanted to show you guys the area. We are in Bel Air. This avenue they used to call it Tilipier, and if you go that side also Tilipier also. Bel Air is in Lubumbashi in DRC Congo, Republic of Democratic of Congo. Lubumbashi is the second town of DRC. Guys, as you see, I want just to show you these places, this area. Yeah, we are this place. They also call it Calaviondo. Like you see there, what even is like Chaussée de Kafinga. I want just to show you. Guys, this is Chaussée de Kafinga. If you're going that side, they used to call it Ruashi, and if you're going that side, they used to call it is in town. Yeah, it's like 5 kilometers from here. It's in town. That area is Ruashi. It's like you can take 7 or 8 kilometers. Yeah. I wanted to show you this place here, and it's been a long time I didn't make a video, guys. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. More videos are coming. Support me. It's free. Love is free, guys. Please, I beg you, don't forget to subscribe. Support me. More videos are coming. Yeah. Okay, bye.